Now, from your weather authority, meteorologist Stacey May.
After 2 o'clock this afternoon, scattered storms began to kind of bubble up and really get going and get stronger very quickly for us this afternoon. And then that winded down for just a little while early this evening. And then we had another round kind of redevelop along an outflow boundary. And that one, too, has been severe in many areas. Let's look at our storm reports real quick. And the majority of them are large hail and very large hail reports. We had certainly bigger than quarter-sized hail reports in many parts of the tri-state, some as big as ping pong, tennis ball, even some baseball-sized hail being reported. And we did have some wind damage, too. The first round was mainly up in the far northeast corner of the tri-state. Let me go back and show you that again. But you can see up in parts of Davies and Martin counties, especially up there by Crane, that could have been a possible tornado touchdown. They'll survey that tomorrow. Washington, Lagodi, exit there on I-69, some thunderstorm wind damage, and also some there in Huntingburg. And just with the storms this evening, we're now getting some reports of some wind damage in Davis County from the emergency management there. From Stanley to Owensboro, they're saying numerous trees down, and in many other parts of the county too. And they had at least 2-inch size hail in several areas of Davis County, and also some damage around the Whitesville and Masonville areas. But there you saw one of our half-dollar sized hail pictures from Sturgis, Kentucky this afternoon. And here's an example of some tennis ball sized hail, and this is from up in Lagodi. And again, a lot of reports of this very large hail for us today. So here's the latest on the alerts map. A lot of us have been cleared now from that severe thunderstorm watch, but you're still in it technically until 1 a.m. for McLean, Hopkins, and Muhlenberg and Ohio counties. And you still have also a flash flood warning going for Owensboro, much of Davis County, because of the heavy rain with those storms that came down. So let's go to live first warning Doppler radar. We just have one severe thunderstorm warning left right now, and that is here for eastern Ohio County. Let's go in a little bit tighter there. And this is the storm that did produce the damage and moved through Owensboro and much of Davis County. That has been sliding across northern and now eastern Ohio County. So that's going to be exiting soon. But look what we have now starting to blow up to the southwest of the tri-state. And right there, as I was pointing to it, there is a brand new severe thunderstorm warning that is just being issued for this storm that is kind of drifting off to the east. And that does now include southwestern Hopkins County. And it most likely is for some damaging wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. And again, the large to very large hail that we have been seeing coming out of these storms this afternoon and this evening. And it again is really starting to get stronger quickly with that intense cloud to ground lightning too. So that information will be scrolling across the bottom of your screen, and I'll be tracking that as it continues to push to the east, kind of along and south of the Western Kentucky Parkway. And then hopefully once we get that one out of here, things will be kind of done for us for the night for our severe risk. But there's our view in downtown Owensboro. It's our Bill Morgan tower cam there from the top of the Hampton Inn. Things have at least quieted down. It's 86. Look at where the dew point is right now, 54. And earlier today, for all of us, it was in the mid to even upper 70s. Very humid to steamy air. Now we're pleasant, but only in parts of the tri-state. We have about a 20-degree spread, if not more, with our dew points. The drier, less humid air coming in from the northwest. You're still in that very humid air down to the southeast, and temperatures are in the 70s and 80s still, but we will cool into the 60s overnight. As all of this continues to kind of pull away from us, we'll finally see the showers and the storms come to an end overnight. Then we'll see some clearing, plenty of sunshine tomorrow morning, and then we see some more clouds kind of bubble up and mix in the afternoon. But it is not going to be nearly as hot. It's going to be less humid, and it's going to be windy tomorrow with a high of 86. Not bad and not too humid Tuesday and Wednesday, and then it does get hotter and more humid for the end of the week and the weekend when some scattered shower and thunderstorm chances return, especially right now on Saturday. Hannah?
Stacey, thank you. Still ahead, there are environmental concerns